I'm going to give you some general cabling tips. You'll need a punch down tool, a puck, cutters, strippers, a drill, a drywall saw. You want to start by installing your mud ring, and you just use your drill once your mud ring is positioned to secure it to the drywall. You want to cut your cat6 cable pretty short. Leave a service loop up in the ceiling, and then you want to, once you've stripped it, you want to peel it in case you nicked any of the wires. Then cut that pull string, strip the jacket and trim it, and then trim your wires. Now we've got a jack here. The jacks that we have a zip tie to hold the cable, but not all jacks do. And you just want to tighten that zip tie. I'm gonna show you a close-up in a second. But you basically want to put all of your wires into the jack as before. And we're using this puck here so that you can punch down. You don't want to punch down against the wall where you would make a dent, and you don't want to punch down in your hand. So this puck holds your jack for you, and then you just punch down. Once your jack is complete, of course, tone it out, test it, and label it. Any jacks, any ports that don't have a jack, cover them with a blank insert. Don't leave them empty. And then snap your jack into the faceplate. And tuck your cable in. Be careful not to dent your cable or bend it too hard while it's inside the wall. And then put the white screws in to the faceplate. The screws fit right into the mud ring. You can use a drill, but be careful not to scratch the paint on the screws.